My name is Jenny Lam. I am Senior Vice President of UX Design here at Oracle.
What inspired you to pursue a career in technology, and how has mentorship, sponsorship, or community helped to shape your career journey?
So, just like a lot of designers, I think in technology, fell into it. I actually didn't pursue it. It was until I realized I was at this point in my career where was looking at a traditional design path or a design path in technology. And this was in 2000. And so the sort of discomfort I was feeling in technology and all the amazing, you know, innovations that were happening in technology made me want to go down that direction to learn more. And I think that that served me really well. The community is really amazing, and I'm so impressed by how we're growing women in technology by sponsoring them to grow into looking at different paths, not just engineering, but design as a path into engineering and into like the solutions that we use every single day. I think that's what's really cool about that opportunity too in technology is that it's ubiquitous versus like a design of an object, right? That it lives in one place and is physical. Um, Digital technology is ubiquitous and easily distributed and has a lot of impact. And women deserve to be part of that design process. It's just designing for other women and everyone.
What was the most challenging thing you had to overcome in your journey to executive leadership?
I think that it's challenging still to this day, and I haven't overcome it, but um, is to really be your authentic self. I think in many ways, when we're in a context of looking different or being different than most people in your field, it's easy to want to assimilate or to want to fit in and blend in. But I think the power of being your authentic self provides that diversity and a unique point of view that technology really needs. Um, Especially technology, it needs all those different unique viewpoints to innovate. And so that's a challenge that I continue to work on every day.
Where do you see the future of technology heading, and how do you envision the role of women evolving in the coming years?
So I'll speak to the area that I know the best, which is in design and technology. I think that we've grown from classic design, which is very one way, to design thinking, which is like, oh, let's fall in love with the problem versus the solution. And I think we're headed in a direction of computational design. And so there's a lot of energy around AI and Gen AI, but I think designing the ethics, the guardrails, um, the prompts, the everything surrounding that in computational design is the next stage of technology, and that's where we're headed. Um, I think women have a huge role in that because women use technology more actually than anyone else in the household, and they're multitaskers. They care for they're usually the person who puts the most effort into taking care of families or elderly um, family members, and they have a role in providing that voice and those use cases and scenarios that fit that they require, right?
What is something people can do to invest in women in tech and inspire inclusion?
This sounds so incredibly simple and overly simplified, but I think the best thing that people can do today to invest in women is put women in leadership positions. Um, and that is not just about pipeline. That's not just about the funnel, but that means sponsoring women from an early age, K through 12, um, and sponsoring them through the arc of their career. Just because they've made it to a certain level doesn't mean that they stop growing, and there's that continued mentorship and partnership, and then that cycle begins again, right? With sponsorship of younger folks entering the field.